You want to see what comes with the easiest to install backup camera on the market? For less than $40 on Amazon, I guess it's worth a shot. You get some cords, a camera, some instructions, and a rearview mirror/reverse monitor, and this is going to make everything very easy. I won't have to take out my radio or anything. So after briefly looking at the instructions, I decided to mount the new mirror over my old mirror with the little straps that it comes with. And in my hands I'm holding the complete wiring setup. One wire is coming from the mirror/monitor, that wire then splits. One end goes to a 12-volt cigarette lighter, the other goes to the backup camera. Now it's already technically working, you just have to get it set up however suits you best. I'm able to remove my rear bumper by pulling back the wheel liner to access the bolts. The last time I took this bumper off, I made sure not to put back every single clip to make it easier the next time, so I was able to save some time, but there was still like 10 bolts altogether. So after drilling a hole in the bumper, I mounted the camera above the license plate. Make sure to hide your wires inside the cabin too, if you want a clean look. And here is how the new mirror/backup monitor looks. Let me know what you think in the comments.